this Thailand? Because baht is the currency. Ooh, I like the loading screen. It's so
Loading screen ka na agad.
Yeah. Have you guys seen the white lady? White lady.
Maybe.
What a white lady.
Loading.
The loading screen is loading.
Hi!
Oh, I like the outfit. Ala. Why do you have blood, you murderer?
Shut
What?
up.
What's my heart sa kanya?
Because I bought it.
Open
The
up!
objective is get the tablet from the 3rd floor class. Okay.
Oh my gosh, kailangan mag-squat para mag-CR.
What? Oh yeah.
Get the tablet from the 3rd floor kasi.
Sorry.
Ano yung 3rd floor?
I don't know. First time lang natin dito. Hey guys, I'm going to give you a tour around the house and I hope you guys... Around the house!
Ano namang bahay? Feeling. I found it! Haha, losers.
Oh, mga paunahan ako!
Open it! Moving!
Sino ba kayo?
Ako!
That's fine.
Wala na.
Hoy! Ba't kayo na?
Ano, nasa na tayo siya?
Ala ka? Ala!
Wala kayo dyan.
What's that sound?
Ako kayo.
Where's their sound?
We're inside.
Hindi ko ma-open.
Ala ka, we're going to die or you're going to die.
Oh, wala kayo dyan. Kayo
Open
mga
the radio. Where's the radio open? I'm scared. Ay. Ew. Why are you walking like that?
Oh,
Ala! No!
Wow, gymnastics.
back off.
Haven't you gone home yet?
Why haven't you go?
Bakit ikaw?
Oh.
Sir.
Are you joking? What's this paper? Wow, it's so dusty. How to survival from the ghost of the teacher.
Bakit ako?
How to survival. The room with the red talisman. Oh, safe. Burn the hair and... Oh my god, why are we going to burn hair? That's so disgusting.
That's bad for the environment.
Yeah. Kunin na natin hair nyo, tapos sunugin natin. Let's make you guys bald.
Yes, hair ni Luis.
Yes!
I will make it.
Imagine going inside the classroom para magsabi, why haven't you go home yet? Tapos mamaya, close lang yung door.
I think that thing roams around here. Bro, why are we playing this right now? We should be doing work immersion, man. Get out. I'm scared. Yeah. Light a fire? Where can we light a fire?
I don't know.
Burn hair? I found this hair and nail.
I think we have to go to the 2nd floor.
Do we go down?
That's why pala may nag-zoom. Where are you guys?
Oh, no, na-separate tayo.
Asa na siya?
Ayoko lumabas.
Where is she?
Asan tayo?
I'm on the other side.
Ang pangit nyo. Naka-close lahat ng legs ko dito.
Hello from the other side. Girl, where are you? Bigla na siya bumasok sa pinto. What the heck?
Shut up. I'm scared.
Wala pating red talisman yung ibang doors.
I'm scared.
Oh, yeah. Andun siya sa floor ko. Second floor.
How do you know?
Girl, nakikita tayo sa malayo.
I hate you. Stop.
Girl, she's on the second floor with me.
Save. I'm at the office. Can I go inside?
I'm on the second floor.
Wait lang. Open ko lang lights dito. I'm scared.
Paano ka napadpad sa second floor? Ay,
I think she died. Uy, nasa third floor ata siya or first floor.
namatay ako. Nasa third floor siya.
Anyway, I'm going out.
Oh, hi. You're here now with me. Let's go. Let's go, Dali. Let's go. Let's go out. She's on the third floor. Dali, Dali, Dali. Oh, andito ka. Ay, go. Hoy, asan ka? Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Merry
Where are you?
Christmas.
What do you mean?
I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going down.
Look at that.
Guys, I'm on the first floor.
I met you. Baliw, tumaas si Luis Anton siya. Where can we burn this? What do you mean?
I think we have to find nail fragments inside the rooms.
Kailangan natin bumalik sa taas, promise.
Bakit? Meron ka doon nakitang nail fragment?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep a lookout.
Doors ng mga may talito.
Rolando Serrano, a Colombian football legend.
Is there a red talisman there sa gilid?
Who were also athletes.
Yung door yung may talisman.
Pag nakikita nyo nagzo-zoom yung ano nyo, it means she's coming for you guys. I can't see any nail fragments here.
Wala man dyan. Ay, lumabas ka dyan, Teo.
Wait, wait, wait.
Kailangan natin mag-light ng fire and then burn here.
Oh my god, she's coming!
Perseverance, joy of life. and
Joke
pride of
lang.
nature. You might love a tennis player.
This is so scary. I don't want to go down the stairs. She's so fast pati.
Diba?
Wait, 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 wait. Sabay-sabay tayo tataas.
Yan,
Oh.
burn. Nice.
Ah, dito
Ayun.
tayo, bababa. Let's go up. Andiyan na si Luisa.
Hindi niyo narinig yun?
Oh, I'm scared!
Bye-bye.
Girl, yeah. Don't leave me alone.
Natakot.
I'm getting laggy. Oh no, I'm scared. Guys, so scary.
Takot yun. I got it na, yung dito.
Oh, she's on the second floor.
What do you know?
Andito siya, oh, naglalakad.
Check, check, check.
Else, stop it.
Sila si Teresa.
What a non-scary. Bitch!
Takot siya.
Of course I am.
And then, hindi mo nalamon tayo.
Yeah, she's not scared. Close the door! Close the door!
Hindi mo yung makapasok. Oh, it looks like you.
Buang. Ay, pwede ka pumasok pala sa closet.
Wala na.
Did she go down? She went up.
I don't know. I don't know.
You can see her sa side if, ano siya.
Hide. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Pusit!
Oh, it's not following us. Bitch, don't you dare. Mag-solo ka dyan, pala ka.
Ang bilis ma-run out ng stuff.
Seryo.
Buang ka na. Lalabas yung organs ko. Ay na! Wala na nagun sa savior ta. So, dahil takot.
Gali na lugod.
Lalabas yung organ ko kanina. Ah, stop it!
Wait.
Wait lang. Mama.
Uy,
Sino si
i-bait mo.
Mama?
I-bait nyo, i-bait. Lure out.
Iiwan natin si Tayo. Dali, dali, dali.
Buang. Uy, andyan siya, oh.
Ma! Ako ba? Bakit ha? Masain.
Wala na, patay na din ako. I'm just standing here.
Naglalala ako doon.
Uy, nasa second floor siya.
Ano naman?
Joke lang, di ako namatay. Di ako namatay. Bye-bye. I don't know, she just went frozen.
Wait, sige, it's nasa first floor, second floor. Nasa taas ako.
Nasa first floor siya.
Okay.
Mas ba?
Hindi kasi nung namatay si Aye, ano? Uy, pataas siya! Bye-bye!
Bigil ka. Wala, ayun, open.
Nagsabi na yung pangalawa.
Tayo, come here.
Ayoko nga. You're closing the door on me.
No, dami.
Nasa floor, nasa second floor, third floor.
We're on the second floor right now. Nasa first floor siya kanina.
Wait na!
She has a crush on you.
No, thanks.
She's on the second floor right now.
Okay.
On the very edge of the world. No! Di ko nalak!
Nag-zoom yun. Nasaan siya?
Oh.
Sino na sila?
Nasa third floor ako.
We're going to distract this hoe.
Nagpa-reband ata siya.
Kaya,
Tumingin. Luis,
nasa taas pa siya.
So funny. So fun.
tara, let's go down.
Nasa baba talaga siya, girl.
Let's go up.
Tangina mo.
Come on.
What a soloist.
Iyo, sobrang kalasa.
You guys get
Should we go up?
Yeah, I think.
in your outfit.
Come on.
Girl, are you guys sure?
No. Safe. Wala na ba dito?
I'm gonna check the rooms.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Ay, eto, meron dito, oh, sa room na nagpupula baga.
Yeah.
Where is she?
Wala. Did you get like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I risk?
No. Let's wait for her sa third floor. Tapos pag ano na siya, nasa pinakadulo, let's run for the second floor. Or second
Ayun,
floor
ayun.
to the
Wait.
first floor. I know you will close the door on me.
Bumaba! Ano ba yan?
First, second, third floor.
Mom.
Asan na? Kailangan lang natin ng isa pa.
Wait, we're going down.
You have it.
Ay, nawala na sa inventory ko.
Yun ito, kinuha ni Luisa.
Eh di, dito ata sa first
Sa
floor,
first
meron
floor.
pa ata.
Oh, let's go down.
here.
Girl, I can hear her.
Sa baba siya, nasa first floor.
Dali, let's go.
Punta na kayong second floor.
Oh my God.
Should we go na sa first floor? Dapat may mag-distract. Ako na mag-distract. Ay, wag na tayo ng dalawa mag-distract. Si Luis ang magkuha ng ano. Where are you, Luisa?
Oh my gosh, I'm like, second floor. Nag-stop siya sa'yo.
Yeah. She's so scary. She's going to the first floor.
Oh my gosh, eh.
Wait, nakuha na ba dito sa second floor yung ano? Mga nails and something?
I think so.
Yeah.
Eh, di sa first floor na lang talaga yung kulang. Wala kasi ditong red eh. Where are you?
Ano ba ito?
Let's go to the other floors dito.
Sige.
We're on the second floor.
What the first floor? Lu. Dito, oh.
She's on the second floor with me. So do we need a key?
May door doon na locked eh. Ay, what's this?
Oh yay, so cool.
Yeah. Exactly.
Ba't siya nag-ihi?
Ew, disgusting.
Bye.